Hello guys, welcome back, and in this lesson we are going to consider float. So float, they're used to stack elements. Let me say, if you want to arrange elements from left to right, right to left, maybe from top to bottom, and majorly they're divs or whatever, and then you can use float. So without further ado, let us see how to do this. So here I'm going to create a div, and of course I'm going to give this, let us give it an ID, and this ID is going to be box1, and I'm going to create, let us say, 3 of these guys or 4. So 2, 3, I'll move here, 4. Then very fast, I'll add some box1 here. I'll say box2, jump down, say box3, and here I'll say box4. So here on the style, I'm going to say that I want, let us use div like this. I'll say margin, margin, let us give them 10 px. I'll say border, or let us give the width. The width I'll give 300 px, height also the same, 300 px. I'll give a padding of 20 px. I'll give a border, and on this border I can say, I say 2 px solid gray for now. And let us see this on the browser. This is what we have. All right, that is okay. And then now if I add the float guy, so I want to arrange this element from left to right, I can just say float, and then I can say left. So they will be stacked, from left to right, as you can see. And the reason why box 4 doesn't stack here is because it cannot fit there. But if I reduce, for example, the width, and say I want the width to be 100, this will probably fit them, I presume. Now you see they fit there. But if I want to remove box 4 from being floated, I can maybe say the ID, which is box 4. I want to clear the float, all right? So I can say clear, and then I can say clear both. So if I go here, box 4 will be removed from the float sequence and will be brought downwards. I can also float from right. If I say this, let me just remove this box 4 for now. Then if I do a refresh here, now we have floating from right, box 1, 2, 3. I can also float from top. This is actually cool now. This is actually the same as stacking the element, by default in block. So we have box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. And so that is how guys we arrange elements from left to right, from right to left, from top to bottom using float. And with that, I believe we are good so far with this, and let us meet in the next module where we'll consider display and visibility.